The importance of organic food and getting organic food out into the high street is to help the whole world become a more sustainable place. All this emphasis that we've had recently on climate change, it definitely feeds into that. All of the reduction of plastics that are part of the problem of poisoning the world, the waters and the atmosphere. Organic food is part of that solution. And I think it's taken for granted when people are looking at all these other aspects that are going on, that they'll just go and eat the same food anyway and get through the day, but use a paper straw instead of a plastic one. Well, that's a tiny thing compared to ensure that your meal is an organic meal and that you're not putting poison into the soil and the water supply, and that you're providing the most nutritious food for your own health. Since seeing the Streetcube project setting up with those standards and those ideals, it's been something that I've been privileged to be a part of and see how it's becoming into fruition. I work for Choice Organics, which is a wholesaler of fresh organic fruit and vegetables. I'm supplying the fresh fruit and vegetables, which are all certified organic by the Soil Association, and that's very much a part of the whole sustainability agenda to use organic food. The seasonal aspect is important too, and that's another thing that Streetcube is pushing forward. We can only achieve these things with a greater understanding that food will change throughout the year, that the offerings will be different. There's two sides to that. It's the companies providing the food have to have that flexibility and understanding, and also the consumers need to not be upset if what they had a month ago isn't available and won't be available until the same season in the following year. And a lot of the problems have been caused by trying to ignore that fact and provide the same diet, the same menu throughout the year. The cost implication is what you have to do to achieve that in using chemicals, in using extra energy to make that possible. So you haven't really achieved a lot there. So the seasonal aspect and the organic aspect and the sustainability, it all comes together. The result is that just by eating food that's better for yourself, you're actually making it better for the planet at the same time.